What do we got here, Ashton?
Turbo, baby.
Hey, nice sweater,
Hey,
bro.
like that? Oh, what? Dude?
Way to represent. We are back here again with Ashton and the X5. Since last time we just showed the resonator delete, and then what's changed?
So I got the DME unlocked through SSR Performance, so which was nice. And then did a boot mod stage 2 tune with the catless downpipe.
So we're gonna go out on the street and do the same runs. That way we can kind of compare the exhaust clips from before to what it sounds like now with the downpipes and the tune. So we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna keep this video short. I guess this time I'm gonna be the one driving, at least till we get outside. Sport Plus is already on?
Yeah, do you want manual or no?
Yeah.
Well, that's it. So as soon as you hit the paddle, it'll switch to manual. Yeah, there you go. You're into, yeah.
Oh! What the fuck?
Dude, bro.
It just fucking picked up, huh? Oh.
It's so funny, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah. That feels fucking crazy.
For an SUV, yeah, it's pretty.
Like, what the? That is fast for SUV. I don't think the brakes match. I don't think the brakes match the power though.
I need some better brakes. Yeah.
That is crazy. Looks good in the daytime with these wheels. Jeez, it just takes off. Upgrade the brake gas after doing all this power.
Oh man, that's funny.
We're gonna see what it does if we put some race gas concentrate in it. Alright guys, we're gonna run a little fun juice and put some race gas concentrate in there. See if it does any difference. So this, we can make up to 105 octane. Now you screw the funnel on. It comes with every bottle. It's super convenient. We're going straight to the gas station right now. It still has to mix in, so it's up to you.
You thirsty?
Oh, you just did the whole thing. Hope you know what you're doing. You for sure have race gas in there now.
I guarantee it.
Now we have to put gas. It maxed out the 480. It tried to go over, and I don't think it could.
Yeah, I know, yeah.